Okay, hi friends, this is the Chapter 3 test. I want to tell you that I believe in you and I think that you're going to do a great job on this. After I read each question, just go ahead and pause, allow yourself to do work time, and then you can hit play again to go on to the next question. I'm going to start here with question number 1. Kate sees 4 white dogs, 9 brown dogs, and 3 black dogs at the park. How many dogs does she see at the park? You have this area to work, and then I want to see your answer on this line right here by dogs. Question number 2. Fill in the bubble next to all the doubles facts you could use to find the sum of 4 plus 5. There is more than one right answer. First choice, 2 plus 2. Second choice, 3 plus 3. Third choice, 4 plus 4. Last choice, 5 plus 5. Which one of these doubles facts would help you find the sum of 4 plus 5? Number 3, does the number sentence have the same difference as 15 minus 8? Choose yes or no. First step, find the difference or the answer to your math problem 15 minus 8. Your answer choices are 10 minus 1. If your answer for 10 minus 1 is the same as 15 minus 8, then you need to fill in yes. If it's not the same, fill in no. 10 minus 2. If your answer there is the same as 15 minus 8, fill in yes. If not, fill in no. 10 minus 3, yes or no. 10 minus 4, yes or no. Question number 4. There are 8 large plates and 7 small plates on a table. How many plates are on the table? Write the number sentence. Show how you can make a 10 to find the sum. Write the sum. So they have the math sentence 8 plus 7 equals blank. They broke apart 8. You need to think how many more does 7 need to get to 10? And then you're going to break apart 8 to help 7 get to 10. Down here you have 10 plus blank. What number did you not use? Equals answer. I need to see your answer on 10 plus blank, and I need to see the answer on 8 plus 7. Number 5, find the number of shapes in each row. 3 rows of blank. Complete the repeated addition sentence to find the total. I need to see your repeated addition sentence here and your total number. Number 6, Max and his sister each have 4 playing cards. Draw a picture to show the groups of cards. So in this box, I need to see a picture. Max and his sister each have 4 playing cards. Down towards the bottom, it says how many playing cards do they have? I need to see an answer on the line that says blank playing cards. Number 7, Ling sees 13 birds in a tree and 15 birds in the ground. How many more birds does Ling see in the tree than on the ground? Step 1, to draw a picture. This box over here is meant for you to draw a picture, okay? Ling sees 13 birds in a tree and 5 birds on the ground. This line here is meant for you to write a number sentence to help you solve the problem. Down here, I need to find your answer for blank more birds. You're trying to find how many more birds does Ling see in the tree than on the ground. Number 8, Sarah uses 4 markers to color her picture. She has 11 markers in all. Draw a picture to show the 2 groups of markers. Okay, so you have Sarah, and she uses 4 of her markers to color a picture. See if you can draw a picture for that in this box. She has 11 markers in all. Write a number sentence to help you find how many markers Sarah does not use. If you want to write your addition sentence here, that's great. If you need to use a subtraction sentence to solve this first, before you put the numbers in for your addition sentence, you are free to write your subtraction sentence somewhere else. And then it says, how many markers does Sarah not use? And you're going to put that answer right here. Number 9, there are 9 oranges in a bag. Mr. Johnson puts 4 more oranges in the bag. Complete the addition sentence to find how many oranges are in the bag now. Your addition sentence with your total written here, and then however many oranges he has written on this line. Number 10, use the numbers on the tiles to write the differences. Then write the next fact in the pattern. So you have tiles 6, 7, 8, and 9. 11 minus 3 equals answer. 11 minus 4 equals, put your answer there. 11 minus 5 equals, put your answer there. This blank line right here is meant for you to write the next subtraction sentence in the pattern. So take a look at what your first number that you started with was. It's going to be a subtraction sentence, and then you have minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus whatever you believe. Okay, next column. 10 minus 3 equals, put your answer there. 11 minus 3 equals, put your answer there. 12 minus 3, your answer goes there. And then you have to write the next subtraction sentence in this pattern. 10, 11, 12, what you believe goes there. Minus, and you've been taking away 3 this time. Number 11, Trisha has 12 pencils to share equally with her classmate. Draw me a picture to show how Trisha can share her pencils. Trisha has 12 pencils to share equally with her classmate. This box here is meant for you to draw me a picture, and then I want to know how many pencils will Trisha keep. Answer goes there. Question number 12, your final question. John has 6 rocks. He gives 7 rocks to his cousin. How many rocks does John have now? Write a number sentence for this problem. And then you can use a blank or a question mark for your missing number. Your math sentence goes on this line with the total number of rocks here. Go ahead and turn in your paper when you're done. Thank you.